Hi, I'm Jeanette Langstone. I'm from the UK. I'm a Master Equinology Equine Bodyworker, and I'm also a mixed knee animal chiropractor. So I have studied osteopathy with another school. I was very disappointed after that one, and so wanted to look because I still wanted to actually find out more and understand sort of the thing, and knew that it was a useful technique. I have osteopathy on myself. I know that it's useful. Very much interviewed the school to find out what it was about and how you were going to be training people. They were so approachable and supportive. I chose that, and I'm very glad that I have, and that you actually were a lot less expensive, and it was, you know, within your own time frames. All the instructors have been really helpful, really supportive. There's no stupid questions, I was told on the first day, and I probably have asked some pretty stupid questions, but I've always had really intelligent answers. The practical and the masterclass is sort of like bringing in the techniques and then bringing extra techniques on top and supporting it all together. Many of the techniques actually cross over between the different disciplines. Everybody has something useful to give to the animals, and that's what we're all meant to be here for.